Hola bafethu, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Hawu danko bafethu, mangithi ngiyabuyela emuva ngikhumbula abomphahlelo bafethu the way bebashaya ngakhona amanqaku oshabalala, the way bebashaya ngakhona amanqaku bafethu ama-long range. Kwabuya kancane nabo-Du Preez nabo babuya sebashaya ama-long range, abo-Ranka Shivaviro nawo wathole yakhe one, oModi nabo. But yonke lento asisayiboni kakhulu. I don't know ukuthi maybe it's because of i-coaching bafethu. But I wish abo-Cedric Kaze nabo bengaqala manje ukuthi ba-practice ama-player ukushaya ama-long range, because nawo ayasiza kakhulu. It's either u-goalkeeper uzoliphantsha lidlule phezu kwenethi bese kube yikhona kick, or else libe phakathi. So or else sometimes aliphantshe lize bafowethu lize kuphi kwi-player lethu lizokwazi ukuqedela. Kodwa konke lokhu bafethu asisakuboni. I hope njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs ithule kanjena bafethu, they are practicing it ukuthi bakhona ukushaya ama-long range, and bangashayi la kalile bhola vele nje shaya ibhola lakhona libheke phezulu engathi umuntu ongawazi ukudlala ibhola. Angisho ukuthi uLilepa wakwazi ukudlala ibhola bafethu, kodwa kunezinye izinto ozibonayo ukuthi as a professional player bafethu, you have to know how to kick bafethu. You cannot just kick ibhola elindiza le emoyeni, le bhola ukhonile ukulilungisa wabheka ipali, kanti yini lena basuke bayipractice lokhu njanini la eNaturena bafethu, because iNaturena ila eduze nami, isemuva kwami nje. Mengithanda ngiya anytime lapha ngiyobukela ukuthi kwenzakalani. So futhi akudingeki netekisi ngoba kula eduze nami, nje ngiyihambela ngeenyawo. Mangisuke ngigibela ngisuke ngithanda. So nginokuyibuza ukuthi kusuke kwenzakalani bafowethu ma uzothola ama-player sekashaya amabhola nje unnecessary, uthola alina sepalini. Yiyo lento kumele bayipractice bafethu, ukushaya amabhola aya enethini bafethu, ukuthi u-goalkeeper is either uyalibamba or uyaliphantsha, and kumele kube yishoti, kungabi ibhola njengathi likhahlelwa umuntu ongakwazi ukudlala. I hope ama-coaches wethu ne-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba ithule kanjena, they are preparing for the following match, because kuzoba tough kakhulu bafethu kulama match lawa esiya kuwo. Kuzoba tough kakhulu, kodwa akusho ukuthi noma benze kabe sizostop ukuyisupporta i-team yethu, soqhubeka siyisupport, kodwa sifisa ngathi bengenza ngcono, sizokwazi ukuthi masibukele nathi sikwazi ukujabula. Danko, siyabonga bafethu, subscribe.